In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your marketing content approvals with Asana, 5 minutes. Let's get right into it. Start by logging in to Asana and head to the workspace where your marketing work lives. Open the project that contains the content you want to review. This could be a blog calendar, a creative queue, or your campaign plan. Keeping your work centralized in a single project helps everyone track statuses and deadlines in one place. Inside the project, open the specific task that needs approval. This task should represent the content item itself, like a draft blog post, ad copy, or a social graphic. With the task open, look for the three-dot menu in the task's toolbar. Click it, then choose Convert and select Approval. This changes the task type so it supports a clear decision at the end of the review. Now set up the approval request. Add concise instructions that explain what you want feedback on and what success looks like. Attach the right files, PDFs, images, or links to drafts so reviewers don't have to hunt for assets. Assign the task to the approver and add a due date. Be realistic but firm. Due dates help keep campaigns moving and prevent last-minute bottlenecks. From the approver's perspective, the item will show up in their My Tasks or in the project. They'll click the approval icon on the task and choose Approve, Request Changes, or Reject. Encourage reviewers to add comments explaining decisions. Specific, actionable notes, such as pointing to page numbers or timestamps, make revisions faster and clearer. Back in the project, keep an eye on the status icons in list view. An empty icon means pending, green means approved, orange means changes are requested, and red means rejected. This gives your team an instant read on where every asset stands without opening each task. If you want more structure, set up a custom workflow using sections and custom fields to track stages like draft, ready for review, in revision, and approved. This adds clarity for larger teams and higher volumes of content. To reduce manual handoffs, automate assignments with rules. For example, when a task is moved to ready for review, auto-assign it to an approver and set a due date. Use clear instructions in the description and organize feedback through subtasks and comments directly on the files, so discussions stay connected to the asset. That's it. Convert the task to an approval, give great context, assign it with a deadline, and let the status and rules do the heavy lifting. Your marketing approvals in Asana will become faster, more organized, and easier to track end to end.